Your brain is lying to you about rest. You think productivity means motion, action, checking boxes, but your mind doesn't work that way. There is a part of your brain that only activates when you stop trying. Scientists call it the default mode network. It turns on during stillness, during boredom, during those moments you think you're wasting time. This is where your best ideas hide. You've felt this before. The answer that comes in the shower, the solution that appears during a walk, the clarity that strikes when you finally stop searching for it. This isn't coincidence. This is biology. Your conscious mind can only hold so much. It gets crowded, overloaded. It starts repeating the same thoughts in circles. But when you do nothing, something else takes over. Your subconscious begins to connect patterns you couldn't see before. It sorts through problems you abandoned. It finds paths your active mind kept missing. Rest is not the opposite of productivity. Rest is a different kind of work. The most driven people often resist this the hardest. They wear exhaustion like a badge. They mistake burnout for dedication. But here's the trap. Constant motion creates tunnel vision. You become so focused on doing that you lose the ability to see. You miss opportunities. You repeat mistakes. You solve the wrong problems with impressive speed. Doing nothing breaks this cycle. Silence makes space for insight. Stillness lets your mind defragment. Boredom forces creativity to surface because there's nothing else to distract it. This is why breakthroughs rarely happen at your desk. Your brain needs contrast. It needs the rhythm between effort and release. Push without pause and the system jams. You've experienced this. The project that only clicked after you stepped away. The problem that solved itself overnight. The mental block that vanished after you stopped forcing it. That wasn't luck. That was your mind finishing work you couldn't see. But modern life punishes stillness. Every empty moment gets filled. Every pause gets interrupted. You scroll when you wait. You listen when you walk. You optimize when you rest. You're terrified of being unproductive, so you never give your brain the space it actually needs to produce. The irony is brutal. The harder you chase productivity, the more you sabotage it. Doing nothing feels dangerous. It feels lazy. It feels like falling behind. But this fear is the real enemy. Because the people who seem effortlessly creative, who solve problems others can't, who generate ideas that feel like magic, they've learned something you're still resisting. They've learned to trust the process you can't see. Your worth is not measured by constant motion. Your value doesn't vanish during rest. Some of the most productive hours of your life will look like you're doing absolutely nothing. Staring at a wall, sitting in silence, letting your mind wander without purpose or direction. This isn't wasted time. This is essential time. The reveal. You're not afraid of doing nothing. You're afraid of discovering that doing nothing works better than everything you've been forcing. The shift. Stop running from stillness. Stop filling every gap. Give your mind permission to be unproductive. Because sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is absolutely nothing at all.